Welcome to Airstream Wheeler. Please comment, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content.
I'm in Dreamboat today, and what I need is help from the hive mind of YouTube. It's really hot in here. It's so hot. But these are his front lower valences where headlights or marker lights and stuff go. These are the housings, and they're like a plastic material. And this one has been cracked and is all like got this crusty, I don't know if it's JB Weld or what, for one side, and that's the good side. The bad side is this one, and it's mostly made of Bondo fiberglass and weird pieces of metal. I think these are ABS plastic, which is likely why the fiberglassing didn't stick or work. I really don't know. I'm not a plastics expert. I've got all of this patched, riveted, crinkly metal, and I need somebody who knows something about this kind of work to help. So if you can advise me, drop a comment below, because this is beyond the scope of what I'm able to repair at this point without some serious guidance. I imagine there's some place I could take these and they could be turned into some sort of mold or custom fabricated, but I'm wondering if there's a DIY affordable solution. I don't have an unlimited budget, and I need to be mindful of where I choose to invest. And right now, Dreamboat needs 6 tires and some engine work. So that's where I am focusing. I'm getting the running gear and the safety gear handled. This technically is cosmetic, and I really don't want to invest too much time and effort into it. I've so far just deleted them and removed them from Dreamboat. Now, I have fiberglass, I have metal, stuff that looks like maybe JB Weld. This is definitely plastic body filler, and a lot of it. This piece is really, really heavy with plastic body filler, whereas this piece I can pick up with 2 fingers, even though it is damaged and has, I'm guessing, like JB Weld or something on it, plastic welding stuff, and duct tape. I don't want to throw them away because they're part of his vintage coolness. They don't sell these to my knowledge anymore. I can't find them, I can't replace them, and so I either have to delete them or try to figure out how to work with the parts that I have left. Oh man, is it hot in here. So hot. The marker lights that used to be here, we did mount them with like a steel bracket on Dreamboat. They are there, so we are road legal, or as close to road legal as he ever was. Please like, subscribe, click that notification bell, or leave a comment. It really helps our channel. So if you know anybody, or you know how to do this kind of stuff, please reach out. I really need advice. Next week, we're dropping the rest of the floor in Dreamboat, so all of this is getting cut out, so stay tuned for that. Okay. You ready?
I guess.
Hello. And when we started this,
That's keyed, which is good, because that means that's not a parasitic
it's not
drop.
the parasitic drop.
Could be the seat, the power seat,
It might be, or
it-
some weird.
any number of other random things.